Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all well. Enjoy your life. I am introduce you blouse designs. Elevate your wardrobe with our executing collection of blouses. Meticulously crafted to blend elegance with comfort, each blouse is designed with attention to detail. Blouse is designed with attention, featuring delicate fabrics, intricate embroidery, and flattering silhouette that enhance every body type, from classic curves to contemporary design. Our range offers versatile options for both casual outings, formal occasions. The lightweight material ensures all-day comfort while maintaining a polished look, perfectly paired with skirts, pants, traditional attire. These blouses add a touch of sophistication, charm to any symbols, available in spectrum of colors, patterns, and each piece reflects timeless style and modern fashion sensibilities. Transform your everyday look with a blouse that is unique and graceful as you are. Elegant and feminine, step into our shoppications and with our beautiful blouses designed for women. Crafted from soft, breathable fabric, each blouse features elegant detail, lace trim, subtle embroidery, and delicate buttons. Whether for brunch, office, or evening events, this blouse offers effortless style, ensuring you feel confident and graceful in every moment. A timeless addition to your wardrobe. They pair beautifully with skirt, trouser, or jeans, trendy and chic, make a statement with our fashion-forward blouses that combine comfort with contemporary style, featuring bold prints, ruffled sleeves, and modern cuts. These blouses are perfect for those who love to stand out, lightweight and versatile. They can be dressed up for parties or worn casual everyday elegance. Bring a pop of style, personality of your outfits with this must-have piece. Classic and timeless over classic blouse embodies sophistication, understand beauty, made with premium fabric, carefully tailored design. They offer a flattering fit for all body types, natural tones, delicate pattern, and simple yet elegant details make these blouses ideal for work gatherings or casual outings. A timeless addition to any wardrobe. They promise style and comfort in equal measure. Festive and glamorous, celebrate special occasions and style with our glamorous blouses featuring intricate embroidery, sequins, and luxurious fabric. These pieces are perfect for weddings, festive, or evening events, designed to complement a traditional and modern attire. They execute elegance and make every moment memorable. Add a touch of sparkle, sophistication to your look with these stunning blouses, casual and comfortable. Discover effortless styles with our casual blouses. Perfect for day-to-day wear, soft breathable fabric and relaxed fit ensures comfort without compromising on style. Minimalistic design, charming prints and subtle detailing make these blouses ideal for cheeky yet laid-back look. Pair them with jeans, skirts, shorts or an easy short fashionable outfit that suits every occasion. Graceful blouses embrace your feminine side with our graceful blouses designed to bring elegance and charm to every outfit, featuring a soft fabric, delicate lace, accents, and gentle ruffles. These blouses create a dreamy, graceful silhouette, perfect for dates, gatherings, or casual outings. They add a subtle touch of sophistication and make you feel soft, effortlessly stylish. Modern minimalistic simplicity meets style in our modern minimalistic blouses. Clean lines, soft fabric, and understand design make them perfect for those who love contemporary elegance. Ideal for office wear, casual outings, or smart casual events. These blouses pair seamlessly with trousers, skirts, or layered under jackets for a chic polished look. Vibrant and playful, add a splash of color to your wardrobe with our vibrant blouses, bold prints, cheerful patterns, and lively designs. Make them perfect for sunny days, brunches, or casual, perfect for meetups, lightweight and breathable. These blouses ensures comfort while reflecting your fun and energetic personality. Pair them with jeans, skirts, sporty, stylish, playful symbols. Luxurious premium experience the sense of elegance with our luxurious blouses crafted from premium fabric and with the meticulous attention to details, satin finishes, intricate embroidery, and fine stitching. Each piece a rich, refined look, and tailoring give each piece a rich and refined, perfect for formal events, evening occasions, special gatherings, or when you simply want to feel execute. These blouse are timeless wardrobe essential. Effortless everyday style over everyday blouse combine comfort with the casual elegance, making them ideal for daily wear. Soft breathable fabric, relaxed fits, and subtle details ensures a polished, effortless look. Pair them with jeans, skirts, pants, and easy style outfits, suits, work, school, or casual outing. Chic and elegant step out in style with our chic blouses designed for women who appreciate modern designs. Elegance featuring sleek cuts, subtle embellishments, and flattering fits. These blouses are perfect for office wear, social gatherings, or dinner outings. Lightweight yet stylish, but they bring sophistication to any outfit effortlessly. Boho and free separated. Embrace your inner bohemian with our boho blouses crafted with flowy fabric, intricate patterns, and relaxed silhouette, ideal for casual outings, festival, and creative gatherings. These blouses are radiate, charm, cheerful, and while keeping you comfortable all day. Pair them with jeans, skirts, or layered accessories for perfect boho look. Professional polished blouses. Our professional blouses are tailored to give a sharp, confident appearance. Clean line structure, design, and elegant fabric make them perfect for office wear, formal meetings. Pair with tailored trousers, skirts, or refined finish. Showcation symbols then reflect with the most professionalism and style. Evening glamour turn heads with our evening blouses, perfect for nights out parties or special occasions featuring luxurious fabrics, subtle shimmer, or elegant lace. These blouses execute sophistication and charm. They pair beautifully with skirts, plazos, or dressy pants, making you the center of attention. Effortlessly classic comfort. Our classic comfort blouses combine timeless design with everyday ease. Soft, breathable fabric and versatile cuts make them perfect for work, casual outings, or relaxing at home. With understanding elegance and simple detailing, they are wardrobe essential for women who seeking both style and comfort, festive and colorful. Celebrate in style with our festive blouses designed with vibrant hues, intricate prints, and eye-catching details. Perfect for weddings, family gatherings, or holiday events. These blouses add an energy of elegance to your outfits, paired with traditional modern attire for a festive, cheerful look. Vintage blouses step back in time with our vintage inspired blouses featuring lace trims, puff sleeves, or delicate prints, perfect for casual outings and gatherings. They add a nostalgic charm while keeping your look elegant and stylish, paired with skirts, high waist pants for complete vintage vibe. Minimalistic everyday elegance. Our minimalistic blouses are designed for women who prefer subtle sophistication, women who prefer clean colors, natural tones, and lightweight fabric create a versatile piece that's perfect for everyday wear, paired with jeans, skirts, tailored pants, or for a polished, effortless look that works anywhere. Elegant layered style elevates your look with overlaid blouses designed with delicate overlays, subtle pleats, and flowing fabrics, perfect for both casual and semi-formal occasions. These blouses create depth and sophistication while remaining comfortable, paired with skirts or trousers for effortless, elegant symbols. Contemporary fashion. Stay ahead of trends with our contemporary blouses. Then blends modern cuts with classic charm, sleek silhouette, asymmetrical design, and unique patterns make these pieces perfect for fashion forward women, ideal for work parties, casual outings. They ensure you always stand out. Soft and feminine, over soft and feminine blouses are crafted for gentle fabrics that feels like a second skin. Featuring delicate ruffle, lace details, or subtle embroidery, they bring a graceful touch to any outfit, perfect for dates, brunches, or casual gatherings. Attire prints add flair to your wardrobe with blouses, features artistic prints, bold patterns, abstract designs, and unique color combination make each piece a statement, perfect for casual outings, creative events, or just adding personality to your everyday look. Luxurious evening wear turn evening into occasion with our luxurious evening blouses crafted from satin, silk, or embellishment fabrics. They add sophistication and glamour to any outfit, ideal for dinner parties, festive celebration, pair with plazos, skirts, tailored pants for stunning symbols, effortless casual Blouse over casual blouses combines style with over comfort, perfect for day-to-day wear. And lightweight fabric, relaxed fit, and simple yet elegant details make them easy to style with jeans or shorts, perfect for running errands, casual meetings, or weekend outings. Floral charms step into spring with over floral blouses featuring vibrant prints, soft fabrics, and feminine cut, ideal for daytime events, casual outings, or garden parties. These blouses bring a refreshing, cheerful vibe to your wardrobe. Pair it with skirts, trousers, complete stylish looks. Statement sleeves make a bold impression with blouses featuring statement sleeve, puffy belts, shaped or layered sleeves. Add drama and style to your outfit while maintaining elegance. Perfect for your gatherings, office events, or evening outings. Pair with fitted bottoms to balance the look. Classic elegance. Our classic blouses never go out of style with clean lines, soft fabric, and timeless design. They suit both professional and casual setting, perfectly paired with skirts, trousers, jeans. These blouses offers effortless application, make a reliable wardrobe staple for every woman. Summer breezes, stay cool and stylish with our summer blouses, crafted from lightweight, breathable fabrics, soft colors, airy cuts, and subtle details make them ideal for sunny days, picnic, and casual outings. Pair with shorts, skirts, or jeans for comfortable chic summer look. Statement neckline make an impression with blouses feature unique necklines for V-neck to bows or keyhole designs. Each piece adds personality and elegance, perfect for office parties, casual outings. These blouses are designed to stand out while maintaining a refined, stylish look. Traditional charm celebrate timeless beauty with our traditional inspired blouses featuring ethnic patterns, embroidery, or delicate detailing. These blouses complement both modern and classic outfit, perfect for festive events, cultural gatherings, or events. They bring a graceful heritage inspired touch to your wardrobe. Soft pastels or pastels blouses are perfect for choice for subtle feminine look. Light shades of fabric and delicate details make them ideal for casual outings, brunches, or office wear. Pair with natural skirts or pants for an effortlessly designs outfit. Bold and confidence showcases personality with bold blouses that features vibrant colors, striking patterns, and daring cuts designed for confident, fashion-forward women. These blouses make a statement whether at social events, casual meetups, or creative workplaces. Layered textures add dimensions to your look, with blouses featuring layered textured, combining fabric, subtle embroidery, and pleated design. These pieces creating a sophisticated, stylish outfit perfect for semi-formal events, dinners, or casual gatherings. Comfortable elegance. Over comfortable focused blouses bring elegance without sacrificing ease. Soft breathable without sacrificing ease. And relaxed fits ensures all-day variability, while classic and modern design maintaining a stylish appearance. Pair them with jeans, skirts, tailored pants for versatile look. Evening sparkle shine at night with the evening blouses that feature subtle sequins, shimmers, fabric, or delicate embellishments, perfect for parties, dinners, or special gatherings. And they blouses are glamour while remaining classy and stylish. Classic elegance. Our classic blouses never go out of style with clean lines, soft breathable, and fine timeless and design. They suit both professional and casual settings, perfectly paired with skirt, trousers, or jeans. These blouses offer effortless application and make a reliable wardrobe staples for every woman. Summer breeze, stay cool and stylish with our summer blouses crafted from lightweight, breathable fabrics, soft colors, airy cuts, and subtle details. Make them ideal for sunny days, picnic, and casual outings. Pair with the shorts, skirts, or jeans for a comfortable chic summer look. Statement necklines make an impression with blouses features and unique necklines from V-necks to bows or keyhole designs. Each piece adds personality and elegance, perfect for office parties or casual outings. These blouses are designed to stand out while maintaining a refined, stylish look. Traditional charm celebrate timeless beauty with our traditional inspired blouses featuring ethnic patterns, embroidery, or delicate detailing. These blouses complement both modern and classic outfits, perfect for festive events, cultural gatherings, and weddings. They bring a graceful heritage inspired touch to your wardrobe. Soft pastels or pastel blouses are perfect choice for subtle feminine look. Light shades, soft fabric, and delicate details make them ideal for casual outings, brunches, office wear. Pair with the natural skirts and Pants for an effortlessly elegant outfit, bold and confident, showcases your personality with bold blouses that features vibrant colors, striking patterns, and daring cuts designed for confident, fashion-forward women. These blouses make a statement whether social events and meetups or creative workplaces. Layered texture add dimension to your look with the blouses features layered textures combining fabric, subtle embroidery, and pleated design these pieces and created a sophisticated stylish outfit perfect for semi-formal events, dinner for casual gatherings, comfortable elegance or comfort focused blouses bring elegance without sacrificing ease. Soft breathable fabric and relaxed fits ensure all variability while classic and modern designs maintain a stylish and appearance with pair with jeans, skirts, tailored pants or versatile look, evening sparkle shine at night with evening blouses that feature subtle sequin, shimmer fabric or delicate embellishments, perfect for parties, dinner, special celebration. These blouses add glamour while remaining classy and stylish. Ruffle blouses add a touch of ruffle blouse to your wardrobe with the blouses features ruffling and soft fabric and delicate layered details create a graceful suit that is perfect for dates, brunches or casual outings. Pair with skirts, trousers for an effortless feminine look. Sleek and modern, over modern blouses feature sleek cuts and minimalistic design for contemporary style, perfect for office casual outings, semi-formal settings. They combine simplicity with elegance, ensuring a polished and sophisticated appearance in any equation and ethereal fabrics feel light and airy in over ethereal blouses crafted from chiffon, organza, or other flowing fabric, perfect for festive occasion, weddings, or elegant evenings. These blouses bring sophistication and a dreamy touch to any outfit. Bold prints and patterns make a statement with blouses featuring bold prints, eye-catching patterns, vibrant colors, and artistic design. Create a fun, energetic look that stands out in casual creative setting. Pair with neutral bottoms to let your blouse shine. Delicate embroidery. Over embroidery blouses are a masterpiece of intricate detailing. Floral, geometric, and traditional motifs add a touch of elegance and charm, making these pieces perfect for formal events, cultural gatherings, or festive celebration. Casual chic blouses combine comfort with style. In casual chic blouses, relaxed fit, soft fabric, and versatile design make them perfect for everyday wear. School or casual outings pair with jeans, skirts, or shorts and effortless style. The symbols layered elegance over layered blouses featuring overally fabrics, plates, and subtle embellishments create a defined and elegant look ideal for semi-formal events, office settings, or stylish casual wear. These blouses add a sophistication to your outfits. Advertise soft knits, stay cozy, stylish with the soft knit blouses, stretchable fabric, comfortable fits, and minimalistic design make them perfect for casual wear, work, or layering under jacket. Effortless style meets all day comfort in these versatile pieces. Vintage glamour step into timeless fashion with vintage inspired blouses featuring puffed sleeves, lace accents, and soft prints. These blouses bring a nostalgic and yet elegant charm to your wardrobe. Pair with the high waist skirts or pants for a classic and graceful look. Elegant simplicity over simplicity. Elegance blouses focus on clean lines of fabric and subtle design details perfect for work, casual outings, social gatherings. They provide a polished, refined look without overwhelming your outfit. Classic collar blouses upgrade your wardrobe with classic collar blouses featuring crisp collars, elegant cuts, and soft fabrics. These blouses are perfect for office wear, formal meetings, or casual outings, offering a timeless and polished look. Delicate chiffon or chiffon blouses are lightweight, airy, and effortless elegance, perfect for evening events, casual brunches, or semi-formal occasion. These blouses create a soft flowing fabric while keeping you stylish and comfortable. Bold color pop make every outfit stand out with bold colored blouses, vibrant hues, and clean designs. Make them pieces perfect for casual outings, festive events, or evening gatherings. Pair it with neutral bottoms and let the blouse shine. Subtle sparkle add to touch glamour. With blouses featuring subtle sparkles, sequin, shimmer, or delicate embellishments, make them ideal for parties, dinner, or festive occasions without overpowering the look. And soft gathered blouses over gathered blouses offer a flattering feminine fit. Soft fabric with elegant gathering at the waist or sleeves provide a graceful silhouette, making These blouses perfect for dates, casual outings, office wear, modern cutouts, show of contemporary style with cut-off blouses, subtle, tasteful. Design add an edge to your outfit, making them perfect for evening events, casual gatherings, fashion-forward office look, bohemian vibes. Our boho-inspired blouses features flowy fabric, intricate prints, and relaxed fits, perfect for festival occasions, casual outings, creativity events. And these blouses bring a free, inspired, stylish charm to your wardrobe. Timeless, neutral, stay elegant and versatile with these neutral tone blouses. Soft shades, simple designs, and classic cuts make them ideal for work, schools, or casual outings. Pair with the pattern color bottoms for a balanced look. Luxurious satin feel sophisticated with satin blouses designed to add a sleek, luxurious touch to your outfits. Perfect for evening events, parties, or dinner. These blouses combine elegance with a silky, smooth feel, relaxed fit every day. Over relaxed fit blouses provide comfort without compromising style, perfect for daily wear, casual outings, or weekend activities. These soft, breathable blouses are an effortless addition to any wardrobe. Bow tie blouses add charm with our bow tie blouses, featuring elegant neck pose, soft fabric, and feminine cut. These blouses are perfect for feminine cut. These blouses are perfect for office wear, casual outings, social gatherings, bringing a touch of sophistication to your look. Elegant peplum over peplum blouses accurate the waist and create a flattering silhouette designed with soft fabric and subtle detailing. They are ideal for parties, office events, or casual gatherings, adding elegance and style effortlessly. Summer cool, stay fresh and stylish over summer blouses. Lightweight, breathable fabric and relaxed fits make them perfect for hot weather, outdoor gatherings, or casual days out, combining comfort with effortless style. Contemporary asymmetrical stand out with asymmetrical blouses. Modern cuts, unique hemlines, and stylish silhouette make these blouses perfect for fashion-forward women seeking chic and versatile wardrobe options. Feminine frills over frilled blouses bring delicate charm to your outfit. Soft, breathable fabric with frill detailing on sleeves, neckline, or hands create a feminine and elegant look suitable for casual outfit or office wear and festive occasions. Elegant Mandarin collars discover sophistication with Mandarin collar blouses, clean lines, subtle detailing, and a timeless silhouette made. These blouses perfect for work, formal events, or casual chic, stylish, fluid tunic style. Over tunic style blouses are comfortable yet stylish. Loose fit, soft fabric, and versatile design make them perfect for layering with leggings, skirts, or trousers for elegant look. Astrical embroidery brings artistry to your wardrobe with embroidered blouse. Detailing, stitching, floral patterns, or intricate motifs make these blouses ideal for festive occasions, special gatherings, or evening events. Minimalistic chic blouses or minimalistic blouses focus on clean lines, subtle elegance, and soft fabric. Perfect for office wear, casual outings, social events, and they provide effortless style with timeless appeal. Soft balloon sleeves add a playful touch with balloon sleeves. Blouses, soft fabric, voluminous sleeves, and elegant cuts make them ideal for casual or semi-formal events, bringing charm and sophistication to your look. Elegant smoked blouses over smoked blouses offer a flattering fitted look with soft stretchable fabrics, perfect for casual outings, brunches, or semi-formal events. These blouses combines comfort with elegance and effortlessly vintage-inspired collar blouses. Step in bags in style with vintage collar blouses featuring butter and pen-less trimmed collar. These blouses add nostalgic charm to your outfit while keeping it's chic and stylish for modern wear. Lightweight linen, stay cool and stylish in linen blouses. Breathable fabric, lace fit, and simple design make them ideal for summer days and outdoor events. Casual outings combining comfort with effortless elegance. Cheek button blouses over down blouses are versatile style and classic design are clean lines and premium fabric make them perfect for office, casual outings, or semi-formal settings, or offering polished look every time. Statement peplum hem make an impression with peplum hem blouses, flowing fabric and flattening waistline create a graceful silhouette ideal for work parties, casual outings where you want to stand out while with this style, soft reflecting and detailing add texture and charm with blouses featuring reaching Subtle gathers along the sleeves, waist, or neckline brings feminine elegance tailored to fit. Plenty of shoulders show off a playful, stylish side with off-shoulder blouses, soft breathable fabric, while flattering curves make them perfect for parties, brunches, or casual summer outings. Luxe velvet experience richness and with velvet blouses, luxurious fabric and elegant design make them ideal for evening events, festive occasions, semi-formal gatherings, stylish occasion, glamour to any outfit. Minimalistic high neck over high neck blouses provide a sleek, modern silhouette, clean lines, soft fabrics, and subtle detailing make them perfect. Clean lines, soft fabric, and subtle detailing make them perfect for office, casual, or semi-formal wear, combining elegance with comfort. Playful tight styles add dimension with tired blouses, layered fabric, flowing cuts, and soft textures make these blouses ideal for office wear. Thank you for watching my video. Love face.